Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Epic Games offline even when you don't have an internet connection. So the first thing we need to do is actually turn on offline mode. Now you can do this by heading over to the Epic Games launcher, making sure you're signed into your account and then clicking on your profile icon in the top right hand side. Then we're going to come down and click on settings, and underneath preferences, you need to make sure that enable offline mode browsing, make sure this is turned on and enabled like this. And then what you can do is close out of the application like so. And now I'm just going to show you how this works. So if I turn off my Wi-Fi, you can see now that my Wi-Fi is turned off and disabled. And then if I try relaunching the Epic Games launcher, you can see now that it will ask you to sign in. So make sure to use the email address that's registered to your Epic Games account. And then we're just going to click on continue in offline mode. Now you don't need to worry about a password as it's already saved to the app. And now if I click on my library in the left hand side, we're now able to access our Epic Games without an internet connection. Now do bear in mind that this will only be available for games that support offline gaming. You can see down here that Fortnite and Rocket League are not some of the games that you can play. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.